we will come to the next topic, that is transformer. This is very important part of electrical and electronics. Please remember. Okay. What is this part? Electrical power transformer is a static device which transforms electrical energy from one circuit to another without any direct electrical connection and with the help of a mutual induction between the winding. See, mutual inductions we have already studied in the inductors. Okay, Faraday's law. Here what happens, when you place two coils nearby or two windings nearby and the current is passed through one winding, then naturally through the electromagnetic principle, the current or the energy will be jumping to the another coil which is near to that. Who will help this to happen? The core. The core will help the transfer of the energy. So please remember, transformer is an important part. You have different type of transformers. You have that we will see in this coming classes in the coming time. So transformer is very important part which will transfer energy from one coil to another coil with the help of a mutual induction, right? And please, very important point, transformer is a static device which works only on AC. That means on the primary side, when you give AC, on secondary side, you will get AC only, no DC. Please remember, AC on primary, AC on this thing, on secondary. So it is very important to know that it will work only on AC. Okay, now there are different type of transformers. Okay, this is the working principle of transformer. The working principle of transformer is very simple. It depends upon the Faraday's law that we have already discussed. Faraday's law, if you know, we have started in the beginning classes. If you have not, please check my videos. Second or third video, it will be about, I've talked about Faraday's law and different important laws, right? So please check those laws. Okay, those videos you can go and visit. Okay, now types of transformer: voltage transformer, current transformer, power transformer, frequency transformer, impedance matching transformers, right? So we have variety and different type of transformer. Mostly our subject, that is electrical and electronics, we will use voltage and current transformer. Voltage transformer, current transformer, power transformers. These are the three main transformer we will use in our subject. Okay, okay, right. On the right hand side, you can see how the transformer, how it works. That is what is primary and secondary. Okay, voltage transformer, maximum we will use voltage transformer. In voltage transformer also, we have step down transformer, center tap transformer, tapping transformer, step up transformer, auto transformers, right? On the right hand side, just to see on the right hand side, on this side, this is your step down transformer. The primary, there are two windings. One is called primary and one is called secondary. When the current is passed through primary, you will get the current on the secondary side. Only one side you are transferring you're giving current, but other side by mutual induction, Faraday's law, then it will be transferred to this coil and you will get the voltage on this thing. That too depending upon the number of turns. So suppose primary side you have used 50 turns. Okay, you have used 50 turns. Secondary you have used only 10 turns. So we will call it as a step down because the number of turns compared to primary, if secondary is having less turns, we call it as a step down transformer. Now, you just down below, you can see, not down below, we will see here on the left hand side, step up transformer. Same exactly reverse of your the step down transformer. On the primary, the number of turns will be lesser, and secondary, the number of turns will be more. Please remember, these type of transformer, step up transformer, we will study only in electrical subject. Electronics and this maximum of the device, they will have step down transformer. But in electrical, that is transmission and distribution and all type of this thing, we will use step-up transformers. Okay, we have to increase the current and the power. That is, power is also increased, current is increased, or voltage is also increased. So it was an electrical subject. Now we have center tap transformer. Another type of transformer, that is center tap. Center taps, have you learned that primary is 2 only, because we will give only 230 volts new phase and neutral on the primary side, but secondary will have 3 connections, that is, or this thing exactly which will be there in the half. So center will be half 0, from there 9 volts, and other one 9 volts. We can use 12 volt also, we can use 6 volt also. Whatever voltage we want, the number of turns will decide. But why we call center tap? Because we distribute exactly half. There will be one more terminal coming from the half of the winding, which will distribute the complete winding into 2 parts. That is called as center tap transformer. Then you have multi-tap transformers. Just on the down below, you can see primary is 1, and secondary number of turns, you have number of connection coming out, right? So this is used for your consumer electronic circuits, where different type of voltages are required, or especially in your television sets, and this they will use multi-tapping transformers. Okay. Then one more transformer is there, that is called as auto transformer. Now, what is the difference between auto transformer and other transformer? You can see in other transformer, you have primary and secondary, which is separated, right, by core. In between, the core is there. Core is nothing but 2 lines, 2 dotted lines, or 2 straight lines. But in this case, in auto transformer, you have a single winding, and from the single winding, they will take primary or rather input as well as output. So only one winding. Okay, that type of arrangement we call as the auto transformers. So depending the industrial requirement, depending upon the equipment requirement, depending upon the machine requirement, the power generation requirement, we will use different type of transformers. Okay, so step down transformers maximum is used in electronics. In electronic circuit, we will use this type of transformers. In electrical circuit, step-up transformer, power generation, distribution, you will have step-up transformers. Auto transformers, television sets, variacs, there only we will maximum use this auto transformers. But in practical application in the industry, we will use step-up transformers, step-down transformer, center tap transformers, and multi-tapping transformers only. Step-up transformer only electrical industry, electronics and other industries, they will use step-down transformers, center tap transformer, and multi-tap transformers. Okay, so all right, friends. Now we'll check the transformer. Okay, so I have kept it 3 transformers here. You can see 1, 2, and there is a small transformer placed on the PCB. Okay, so this size 1, 2, 3, you will find different size. That is little. So this is little bigger. This is little smaller than that, and this is more smaller. Okay, this is your switch mode transformer. This is the normal transformer, that is iron core transformer. This is also iron core transformer, but this is used for some other place. That is for AF signal, audio amplifier circuits. They will have this type of transformer to match the impedance, primary and secondary impedance. This type of transformer are there. Now I will tell you how to check the transformer. How you will check the transformer, whether my transformer is working or not. So this is called as cold check. Cold check means if I am not connecting it to this thing. So you have 2 wires on one side and 2 wires on other side. So wires means what? How you will identify the primary, secondary, and how you will identify whether my transformer is working or not. So I have kept my meter on 2K, right? You can see I have kept it on 2K only. That is 2K range. That is ohms range. Now what I will do, I will just take these 2 probes and I will just check this 2. I will just check these 2 wires. These 2 red wires. I will check both the 2 red wire. I have kept 1 probe on the red wire, black probe on other this thing. So what is the value I have got? 1.835. Okay, 1.835. That is 1835 ohms. Okay, one side I got these two wires. Okay, I will remove it. I will take the another two wires and I will check. So I will just put it to these two wires and I will check. So it is showing 0.008, or rather I will reduce this here. I will put it to 200 ohms. So I will just check how much it is showing. It is showing approximately 9.4 ohms, 9.3 ohms. Okay. So what I have got this side, I have got 1.8K approximately, and this side I have got very less, that is 9.4 ohms. So how you will say that my transformer is working or not? And how you will say which one is primary and which one is secondary? Please remember, this is a step down transformer, step down, because maximum of the electronic circuit, they will use step down transformer. So where you get more resistance, here we got more resistance, 1.8K. Okay, this is primary. Okay, and this is secondary. Okay, this is step down. So the resistance on the secondary side will be less. So my transformer is working because I've got resistance on both the sides. Number one. Number two, I came to know which one is primary and which one is secondary. Number three, I have checked that my transformer is a step down transformer. So this is primary, you have two wires, secondary, you have two wires. Same thing, you can do one thing. So you have seen the primary two wires, this transformer, you can see primary two wires, secondary there are three wires. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right, center wire is given in white in color, and there are two black colors. So this is center tapped transformer. Okay, how will check? The procedure is same. Primary, secondary, you can check it together. Either you can check these two wires, either you can check these two wires. So you will come to know primary should be higher resistance, secondary should be low resistance, because in electronic, maximum except electrical, if you are working for high voltage and distribution or your power generation, there only we will use a step up transformer. Otherwise, everywhere it will be step down transformers only. Even this is a step down transformer. This is step down transformer. All of them maximum will use step down transformers only. I hope you understood this concept, how to test the transformer and what are the different type of transformer. Okay. This is very small, but the power rating of this transformer is higher than this transformer. And please remember, you check the thickness of this. There is we call it as a lamination. Okay, lamination, bigger the size, the power rating is more. The size of the transformer more, the power rating is more. That is, it will have more power, not the current and voltage, right? The power will be, the handling capacity, the transferring capacity will be.